They claimed that they were going to help them modify their mortgage loans, but instead they kept the money for themselves.
Essentially, scammers promised victims they would negotiate with their bank to lower their monthly mortgage payment. An upfront fee was usually required. In this case, victims were targeted based on financial need and their ethnicity.
They went to marketing companies and specifically asked for Hispanic last names, assuming that they could speak to these people, and many times they didn't speak English, and the defendants could take advantage of their own Spanish-speaking skills.
More than 300 families were duped, amounting to almost $2 million in losses.
They were able to tell them we're here specifically for the Hispanic community. And unfortunately, what that led to was a lot of the victims put their guard down, believing that they could trust the defendants that much more, and to their peril.
Many of the families lost their home.
By sending their mortgage payments to the defendants, they didn't go to the lenders or the banks, and as a result, they foreclosed on their homes.
This is devastating to the victims. They trust this company, they pay the upfront fee, and ultimately they lose their home and they weren't helped in any way.
Instead, the con artists simply stole their money.
They were used for items, high-price items such as a BMW, a large-screen television, and diamond rings.
Postal inspectors have some important advice.
Homeowners should realize that when trying to do a loan modification, it's best to go through your lender to try and get a loan modification first.